Today, we're exploring Antalya, Turkey, a city where ancient history and modern charm collide on the turquoise shores of the Mediterranean. Imagine walking along streets lined with Roman ruins, Ottoman-era houses, and colorful market stalls. Picture the cascading waterfalls, lively marinas, and hidden alleyways that make this city so special. From tranquil beaches to bustling bazaars, Antalya offers a rich experience for every traveler. Whether you're seeking adventure, history, or a peaceful escape, this city has it all. Antalya is more than a destination, it's a story waiting to be discovered. Each street, each corner, and every vista has a tale to tell. Welcome to the Travel Man channel, where we take you on unforgettable journeys around the world. Antalya is a city of contrasts and stories. As we journey through its streets, we find layers of history beneath every surface. The city was founded over 2,000 years ago, and empires like the Romans, Byzantines, and Ottomans have all left their mark. Our drone lifts above the city, revealing the full beauty of the Mediterranean coastline and the Taurus Mountains hugging the horizon. You can see the sparkling blue sea stretching endlessly, beaches dotted with sunbathers, and fishing boats drifting lazily near the shore. The marina glistens in the sunlight, a blend of luxury yachts and traditional wooden gullets bobbing gently in the water. The old town rooftops, with their red tiles and charming patterns, look like a storybook village. Even the roads and squares seem to form their own geometric art when seen from above. Flying over this city gives you perspective, you see how nature and human civilization harmonize. The mountains, rivers, and sea create natural boundaries, while the city nestles beautifully within them. Watching the sun rise or set from this vantage point makes you appreciate Antalya's grandeur in a way you can't experience from the streets alone. Kaleici Marina is the heart of Antalya's waterfront charm. Surrounded by historic walls and ancient streets, this marina is both vibrant and serene. Colorful boats sway gently in the water, their reflections shimmering in the Mediterranean sunlight. Walking along the marina, you encounter cafes serving fresh seafood and aromatic Turkish coffee. The scent of salt water mixes with spices from nearby shops, creating a sensory experience unique to this city. Walking through Antalya is like flipping through the pages of a living history book. The cobblestone streets of the old town, or Kaleici, are lined with beautifully preserved Ottoman houses, colorful balconies, and fragrant gardens. Cafes and restaurants invite you to pause, sip Turkish tea, or sample a freshly baked simit. Local artisans sell hand-woven textiles and ceramics, continuing traditions that stretch back centuries. Even as Antalya modernizes with luxury hotels and busy shopping streets, the soul of the city remains in its historic architecture, narrow alleys, and warm, welcoming locals. Every step here tells a story, from the whispers of history to the rhythm of daily life. Kaleici Marina is more than a picturesque spot. It is a gathering place for locals and travelers alike. Here, stories are shared, and memories are made. You can feel the rhythm of a city where the past meets the present in perfect harmony. Hadrian's Gate stands as a monument to Antalya's Roman heritage. Built in honor of Emperor Hadrian's visit in 130 AD, this triumphal arch remains remarkably intact. Its three arches are adorned with intricate carvings, and the central archway once welcomed emperors and citizens alike. Walking beneath Hadrian's Gate, you can almost imagine the crowds from centuries ago, marveling at its grandeur. It's more than a gateway. It's a connection between the present and a city that has witnessed millennia of history. Now, let's wander through the vibrant streets of Antalya's old town, Kaleici. The cobblestone lanes are narrow and winding, lined with houses featuring carved wooden balconies and colorful shutters. Every corner has a story, a hidden courtyard, a small mosque, or a garden filled with jasmine and roses. Street musicians add melody to the bustling ambience, and the aroma of freshly baked bread and spices fills the air. Local cafes offer a moment to pause, perhaps enjoying a glass of apple tea while watching daily life unfold. Small boutiques display handcrafted textiles, ceramics, and jewelry, each piece reflecting rich artistic heritage. Even the walls tell stories, adorned with murals or ancient inscriptions. Walking through this city is an immersive experience, blending history, culture, and the rhythm of modern life in a single stroll. The Bendali Grand Bazaar is Antalya's beating heart of commerce and culture. Here, vibrant colors, rich textures, and intoxicating scents greet you at every turn. Spices piled high in woven baskets, handmade jewelry sparkling in the sun, and fragrant teas and coffees fill the air. The vendors are warm and friendly, often eager to share the story behind their products. Each stall offers a glimpse into Turkish traditions, with craftsmanship passed down through generations. Walking through the bazaar, you can haggle gently for souvenirs, explore narrow alleys that twist like a maze, and soak in the authentic local life. It's not just shopping, it's a cultural experience, a sensory journey that captures the spirit of Antalya in every step. Duden Waterfalls is where Antalya's natural beauty takes center stage. Water cascades from rocky cliffs into the sparkling pools below, surrounded by lush greenery. The sound of rushing water is both invigorating and calming, creating a perfect escape from the city's bustle. There are walking paths and viewpoints that allow visitors to admire the waterfalls from every angle. Birds flit through the trees, and the sunlight dances across the mist, creating rainbows that seem almost magical. This is a place to pause, reflect, and appreciate the harmony of nature and city life. For photographers, it's a paradise, and for travelers, it's a moment of pure serenity. Behind the cascading waters, hidden caves wait to be discovered, their cool shadows offering a mysterious contrast to the sunlit cliffs. You can hear the echo of the water inside these natural chambers, creating a serene, almost magical atmosphere. Exploring the caves and climbing to the top turns a simple visit into an adventure, revealing the hidden beautiful natural wonders. It's a place where history, nature, and discovery converge, offering both tranquility and awe-inspiring views. A winding staircase leads visitors from the base of the falls up to the top, where panoramic views of the Mediterranean coastline unfold. Each step brings you closer to the sound of rushing water and the refreshing spray of the falls. From the summit, you can admire not just the waterfalls themselves, but also the lush greenery and rocky cliffs that surround them. As our journey comes to an end, we make our way back to the airport, carrying unforgettable memories of a city rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. Thank you for joining the Travel Man on this incredible adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more unforgettable journeys around the world.